Hey folks, I picked the wrong day to be away from my chair. I hope you didn't do the same, and maybe you caught my favorite setup on the 11th. That'd be yesterday morning. John Herman with Wednesday's E-mini Money Minute, and my favorite setup must have known I was out of the office all day, and it just kept showing up time and again. Although the PT VWAP and associated timing alert dots can be used in a couple of ways, I love the high probability setup when PT VWAP acts as support or resistance that's about as solid as the medieval fortress. Although I'm 100% focused on the PT right edge system, I don't forget lessons learned in years past regarding candle theory, as that adds more evidence. So at 11:01, doji candle, tail down. That tells me buyers are nibbling. The market tries to fake us out as if it's going below that VWAP support line. Nope, I'm not buying that logic at all. As PT VWAP, yellow. That's an uptrend. Sloping up. That's an uptrend for sure. And the timing alert dot right at the bottom of the dip was hollering, pay attention, watch for a long. The next bounce was not as low a dip. The support was holding. And then, like that little engine that could, it bounces off support two more times, chugging away, starting an uptrend. Price energy is building as PT energy goes from bearish to bullish energy. That all important PT sentiment oscillator barely made it below the midline and it starts to turn up. Then the momentum line crosses the sentiment line and it crosses the midline and it turns green. We've got bullish momentum for sure. I know I'm looking at this in hindsight, where I might add, I have never had a losing trade. But if I miss this one, there's no excuse. That should have been a 10 to 12 point trade, 500 to 600 bucks on one contract in about 40 minutes. Then 115 and 130 did it again. Not quite as spectacularly, but the PT Energy told us, don't get cocky this time. We're still bullish, but you can see there's not the same level of bullish energy as there was earlier. Then two more bullish long trades in the afternoon, and finally, one easy to identify bearish setup to end the day. I can't be here every day, all day, but it sure shows that the PT right edge is providing great, easy to read setups all day long on most days. Well, hopefully, I'll be back in the saddle tomorrow. Maybe I need that seatbelt again to keep me here. As always, we thank you for joining me, and we'll see you on the next E-mini Money Minute.